Hello, kids! Welcome to Vocabulary by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Hey, kids! Ready for a super fast animal game? You only get 5 seconds. Can you guess all 100 animals? Let's go! Question 1. Guess the animals. Dog. Awesome! Question 2. Guess the animal. Cat. Great job! Question 3. Guess the animal. Elephant. You're smart! Question 4. Guess the animal. Fish. Nice! Question 5. Guess the animal. Cow. Yay! Question 6. Guess the animal. Lion. Amazing! Question 7. Guess the animal. Frog. Great! Question 8. Guess the animal. Giraffe. Wow! Guess the animal. Penguin. Cool! Question 10. Guess the animal. Horse. Awesome! Question 11. Guess the animal. Zebra. Question 12. Guess the animal. Kangaroo. Question 13. Guess the animal. Owl. Question 14. Guess the animal. Octopus. Question 15. Guess the animal. Peacock. Question 16. Guess the animal. Snake. Question 17. Guess the animal. Turtle. Question 18. Guess the animal. Rabbit. Question 19. Guess the animal. Bear. Question 20. Guess the animal. Panda. Question 21. Guess the animal. Koala. Question 22. Guess the animal. Wolf. Question 23. Guess the animal. Fox. Question 24. Guess the animal. Tiger. Question 25. Guess the animal. Cheetah. Question 26. Guess the animal. Monkey. Question 27. Guess the animal. Chicken. Question 28. Guess the animal. Rooster. Question 29. Guess the animal. Duck. Question 30. Swan. Guess the animal. Bird. Question 32. Guess the animal. Eagle. Question 33. Guess the animal. Parrot. Question 34. Guess the animal. Penguin. Question 35. Guess the animal. Dolphin. Question 36. Guess the animal. Whale. Question 37. Guess the animal. Shark. Question 38. Guess the animal. Tropical fish. Question 39. Guess the animal. Snail. Question 40. Guess the animal. Ladybug. Question 41. Guess the animal. Bee. Question 42. Guess the animal. Butterfly. Question 43. Guess the animal. Ant. Question 44. Guess the animal. Spider. Question 45. Guess the animal. Scorpion. Question 46. Guess the animal.
Cricket. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.
Question 47. Guess the animal. Pig. Question 48. Guess the animal. Sheep. Question 49. Guess the animal. Goat. Question 50. Guess the animal. Mustang. Stay tuned for part 2. You did such a great job.
To start your learning journey, click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.